We're rolling. I'm just happy to be here. Let's do this.
Dude, today's money, dude. Today's money.
I haven't even shot yet, and I fucking love this.
I get bored, I get blamed, I get reamed out good, but I won't change. Get to work, then by 5, take my beat up truck on the same old drive. I show up just in time. The party's getting hot on a Tuesday night.
Cunning poker player and a deadly shot.
Yeah, birdie, 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 birdie. He is dead. I tried to make the catch.
Then Wednesday comes, and it's all, every little thing on Thursday's gone. There's nothing wrong at 5 o'clock. Have a tailgate party here in the dark. The girls all come to blast this song. By 2 a.m., yeah, we're all gone. It may be wrong, what can I say? Right off tomorrow, we party on the weekday.
Oh! End of this field, you're gonna lose 12 pounds. Look at it that way. I was standing on one foot. Rooster! Ooh, tacos! Rooster! Whoa! It was 4th and goal, but we pushed it across.